Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to today's class in Shavasana, where we will explore this pose in depth. We'll understand what is Shavasana, what are its benefits, and how to do it with props and without props, as well as look at what to do when we come down to lie in this pose, why our thoughts get louder in Shavasana, when we should do this practice, how long we need to stay in the pose, and how to come out of the pose. So we'll begin by understanding what is Shavasana, what are its benefits. Shavasana or corpse pose looks like a very easy pose in yoga, but it's one of the most challenging and powerful poses that yoga has to offer. This is one yoga pose where you're not doing anything, you're simply letting it be. There are many benefits to the practice. It lets your mind settle, your breath come back to a comfortable rhythm. It allows your body to just be. And it is during Shavasana that we absorb all the benefits of the practice, even at our cellular level. Now we'll see how to do the practice. We'll begin by coming to lying down on our back. Slowly roll down on your back, legs nice and wide, letting your feet flop to the side. Arms come to rest away from your body, placing your palms in receiving position. The back of your head is resting on the mat. Close your eyes, relax your jaw, relax your forehead, press your eyelids so that it completely blocks light. Take a deep inhalation, completely exhale, just letting your whole body relax. Now we'll do the same thing using props. So you can place a bolster beneath your knee, so you can keep your knees bent. This kind of reduces tension in your lower back. You can place a pillow so that your head is supported. You can keep something to cover your eyes. Adjust this so that your head is rested. Cover your eyes. Legs are nice and wide. And relax. Your heels should be resting on the mat. So what to do when you are in this pose? This is when we let go of our thoughts, let our mind settle, and move into deep relaxation.
This is how we let go of thoughts and completely relax in Shavasana. First, just notice it, don't push it away, don't judge it. Whether the thoughts feel pleasant or uncomfortable, just acknowledge them and then gently shift. Bring your awareness to sensation. Could be the rise and fall of your chest, the soft touch of air at your nostrils, or the quiet weight of your body resting on the earth. Because sensation lives only in the present moment, and slowly, without force, the mind begins to quieten. This is the art of staying present.
Why our thoughts get louder in Shavasana? As soon as we lie down in Shavasana, you might notice something. Your mind becomes louder. It's not that stillness is creating more thoughts. It is that movement was distracting you from them. When the body becomes quiet, the mind finally has space to be heard. Those thoughts were always there. Stillness simply reveals them. This is not a problem. This is the beginning of awareness, the beginning of being present. When to practice and how long to stay in Shavasana. Shavasana is best practice at the end of your yoga session, after any physical activity, or even on its own when you need to reset. Why you need to stay for a minimum of 10 to 20 minutes to get the most benefit out of the Shavasana practice, because this is when your body shifts from doing to being. Your nervous system shifts from flight and fight mode to rest and relax mode. This is when your deep relaxation, restoration happens, even at your cellular level. When you're ready to come out of Shavasana, slowly bring your right hand to the floor behind you. Turn towards the right side. Place your left hand directly in front of your chest. Bend your left knee and slowly come to a seated position. Thank you so much for joining me in today's session. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you thought this class was valuable, please like and share. Namaste. So 3 key things to remember is a quiet room, a comfortable position, and a not so very bright room. Close your eyes. We're going to be breathing in through our nose and out through our nose all through the practice. Arms come to rest next to our body. Our feet flop to the side.
If you're not very comfortable pointing the nose in the direction of the ceiling, you can also drop it to any side that you want to. Now bring your attention to your abdomen. And as you're breathing in and out through your nose, we're just going to notice the movements happening in our abdominal region. We're going to do this for 3 breaths. Now slowly bring your attention to your breath. And as we breathe in, notice our belly move up towards the ceiling. And as we breathe out, our whole belly is collapsing back towards our spine. Breath in, belly moves forward. Breath out, collapses towards the spine. One more. Just to keep your face relaxed. Now this time, as we breathe out, we're going to let our whole body get heavy and melt into the mat. We're going to do the same thing for 2 more breaths. Now slowly shift your attention to the tip of your nostril. Now as we breathe in, notice the cool air entering a nostril. And as we breathe out, notice the warm air on the top of our upper lip. Gonna stay here for 2 more breaths. Now bring both your feet together. If you've turned your head to either side, bring your nose to point towards the ceiling. Toes are pointing towards the ceiling. Palms are pointing towards the ceiling. We're going to take a deep breath in and breathe out. The next time we breathe out, we'll chant 1 round of Om and feel the vibrations of Om wash all through our body. Just noticing the vibrations from the tip of our toes to the crown of our head to the tip of our fingers. You can continue lying down here for as long as you want to.